Guys, here we are again, Uncle Dan in Central Park at the baseball field. But I want to talk with you about money, how to talk effectively about money. Important topic, really important topic. The first thing is, before you talk money with somebody in business, before you talk money, you have to make sure that you've expressed your commitment fully and completely. That's number one. You have to talk about commitment first and what you're going to do for them and how you're going to take care of them before you talk about money. It's mission critical, because once you talk about money, it could be game over. They got what they came for, they asked for a price, they get a price, bye-bye, they're gone. So before you do that, you have to talk about your commitment. And then when you talk about money, you have to make it sound really attractive. You have to do what you have to gift wrap it in a bow and hand it to them on a silver platter. So well, you came in today to get your brakes done, and let me tell you this, we have a brake special today. I've got a $20 off coupon, right? And secondly, it's only gonna be $185 out the door, only. Important to make it sound really, really good, no matter what you're doing. You have to make it sound as good as possible for that customer and how it's gonna help them. The other thing is also, depending on who's listening to this, it's very useful to have in your back pocket the ability to help them finance their purchase. Again, the price is usually not the issue, but money could be an issue. If they don't have the money, you have to have a source of money for them. So you have to let them know that, yes, not only am I going to take care of you, but if money should be an issue, I have payment plans for you, right? And so you want to make sure that you bring that to the fore. So this way, again, depending on the business, it could be a dental office, you could be in a glass company, a propane company. If you're selling a house, you're a real estate firm. You have to make a commitment to help people both with their purchase and with the money, if you can. It's really important that you're able to do that, okay? And that's my coaching for today about how to talk effectively about money. Peace.